hope you're having an incredible day today. It's Jordan, here in Oakland, California. Here at Merritt, next to Lake Merritt, grilled pork rice plates. The medley of flavors and textures. The slices of grilled pork were so savory and complemented well with the jasmine rice. There was also a small soup with a light taste to it, reminiscent of chicken foot broth. And here at Happy Lemon. Boba milk tea. Wow! The pearls are perfectly chewy and sweet, providing a contrast in both flavor and texture to the smooth, creamy, and earthy milk tea base. If you like your milk tea sweet, the next time you're out for boba, Happy Lemon is the place to be. Soup with dumplings? Yeah! This is United Dumplings, still open for takeout. And these are the pork xiaolong bao soup dumplings. Careful not to break the delicate dumpling wrappers. The soup dumplings have a light and savory juicy broth that balances well with a rich umami flavor. What's an Asian cuisine adventure around the lake in Oakland, California? Whether you're looking for a warm and relaxing, savory pho soup, looking to cool down from a humid day with a sweet milk tea, we're going for a soup dumpling dive near Lake Merritt. There's something to satisfy each craving. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you in the next video.